What's up guys, today we got Samsung S9 not charging due to dust inside the charging port. Customer bring the device and told me the device is no longer charging. The charger is barely goes on the charging port hole. So let's check what's inside. You can use tweezer to start removing everything and dust and dirt from the inside. This is too nasty, disgusting things inside. He told me he working with the chickens, so this is must be some parts of the chicken inside. Be careful while you are pushing these dirt from the inside using the tweezer. We don't need to damage or broke the charging port. We just need to push or pull out the dust from the in there. After that we will use the alcohol to clean the inside. So it's easy somehow, but we don't need to scratch or press too hard while we are pulling out. Make sure the hole is cleaned and nothing still inside. After that we can use the brush with the alcohol to clean the port, and then we will just put the charger on and test. This device should be start charging again, and we call it a easy fix for the customer. Anyway, that was for today. If you have any questions, you can just leave it on the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Your support is important for us. We will do something else in the next video. Peace, my friends.